On number 3, Boeing 747-400. The Boeing 747-400 jet airliner series is the best-selling model of Boeing. The massive body, biggest commercial plane was built from one of the earlier 747s. Airlines can accommodate 416 passengers in their 3-class configuration, 524 in their 2-class cabins, and 660 in their all-economy configuration. Boeing 747-400 has a length of 232 feet and wingspan is 211 feet. Even though with an enormous body, 747 can achieve top speeds of up to 614 miles per hour and travel range up to 7,260 miles, which is